Hello everybody, this is my unboxing of Doctor Who Season 1 starring Ncuti Gatwa. Here's the front cover, the back of the slipcase, the side of the box, the other side, This season of Doctor Who follows the Doctor and his companion Ruby Sunday as they travel across time and space, with adventures all the way from the Regency era in England to war-torn future worlds. Throughout their adventures in the TARDIS, a time-travelling ship shaped like a police box, they encounter incredible friends and dangerous foes, including the Doctor's most powerful enemy yet. This brand new Season 1 release includes complete Season 1 episodes, Christmas Special 2023, The Church on Ruby Road, Space Babies, The Devil's Court, Boom, 73 Yards, Dot and Bubble, Rogue, The Legend of Ruby Sunday, Empire Death, accompanying unleashed episodes and exclusive special features, including more than 6 hours of additional material, including unleashed episodes and other special features. And it's for 12 years and up, suitable only for persons of 12 years and over, not to be supplied to any person below that age. Here's the cover again. Side again. And the actual back of the cover. Steelbook. We'll show you them later. Here's the discs. Disc 1, The Church on Ruby Road. Disc 2, Space Babies and the Devil's Code. Disc 3, Boom and 73 Yards. Disc 4, Dot and Bubble and Rogue. Disc 5, The Legend of Ruby Sunday and the Empire Death. Disc 6, Doctor Who Unleashed, episodes 1 to 5. And disc 7, Doctor Who Unleashed, episodes 7 and 8. And here's the inside the front cover is the Doctor and Ruby shooting a million. The famous zebra crossing at Abbey Road Studios. And that's that one. just two more bits to show you now. Here's the features list, and the front and the back. Disc 1, The Church on Ruby Road. Special features: the Doctor Unleashed, behind the scenes in Vision Commentary, Millie Gibson set tour, behind the scenes trailer, get to know Doctor Who with Ncuti Gatwa, get to know Doctor Who with Millie Gibson. Disc 2, Episode 1, Space Babies, Episode 2, The Devil's Code. Special features: Space Babies behind the scenes, The Devil's Code behind the scenes, The Devil's Code scene breakdown, Ncuti Gatwa special message for fans, video of a bogeyman, video diary, Finding 15, Jinx Monsoon tries British food, Millie Gibson's set tour, Jinx Monsoon, The Looks of Maestro. Disc 3, Episode 3, Boom, Episode 4, 73 Yards. Special features: Boom in Vision Commentary, Boom behind the scenes, 73 yards behind the scenes, Ncuti Gatwa and Millie Gibson's guide to get your Zen on, Steve Moffat preview to the episode 73 yards, bringing virtual projection to Doctor Who, Monday Flynn profile, Boom, script to screen, Wash Lingo with Ncuti Gatwa and Millie Gibson, Rajat Gullam profile, Millie Gibson's very first day video diary. Disc 4, Episode 5, Dot and Bubble, Episode 6, Rogue. Special features: Dot and Bubble behind the scenes, Dot and Bubble scene breakdown, Rogue behind the scenes, Rogue scene breakdown, Ncuti Gatwa and Millie Gibson's top 5 people in their bubble, Lindy Pepperbean profile, Carly Cook sneaks onto the TARDIS, Dot and Bubble set tour, Wednesday costume quiz with Jonathan Groff, most likely to with Ncuti Gatwa and Millie Gibson, Rogue profile, getting to know Jonathan Groff, Rogue dance scene. Disc 5, Episode 7, The Legend of Ruby Sunday, Episode 8, The Empire Death. Special features: Empire Death, Invasion Commentary, The Legend of Ruby Sunday, behind the scenes, Empire Death behind the scenes, Empire Death scene breakdown, John Redgrave's unit set tour, Empire Death behind the scenes. Set tour. Who is Susan Triad? Villain reveal, getting to know Lenny Rush, Empire Death script to screen, epilogue, 49 films, Remember TARDIS tour, Ncuti Gatwa and Millie Gibson's favourite memories, Genesis in the TARDIS. Disc 6, Doctor Unleashed, episodes 1 to 5. Disc 7, Doctor Unleashed, episodes 6 to 8. Doctor Unleashed Unseen, Tales of the TARDIS, The Pyramids of Mars. And that's the list, features list, episode list, and special features list. And one last thing to show you: the project guide. Doctor Who, more exciting projects from Doctor Who. Full cast audio dramas from Big Finish, the Doctor Who the 15th Doctor Volume 1 comic book from Titan Comics, Doctor Who Lost in Time mobile game, and some more Doctor Who audiobooks from CD, available in CD and download from trusted audiobook retailers, Audible, Spotify, Apple Music. Doctor Who Pest Control and The Forever Trap, which are two two audio adventures read by David Tennant and Catherine Tate. First time vinyl, 6 times 140G LPS. Available to order now. And the official Doctor Annual 2025. Available now, I think. Or comes soon. Doctor Who, A Live Escape Game. A Dalek Awakens. That was originally part of Terminal Victorious, I think. Multimedia Project. Memories of an Impossible Blue Box. I TARDIS. Novel or book. Don't know if that's a novel or some kind of book. And Doctor Who magazine, available every month. And Doctor Who merchandise from Forbidden Planet. What have we got? We got unit tote bag, Maestro mug, coasters, enamel keychain, enamel badges, episode t-shirts. And that's the back of that. Yeah, and that's that again. Complete now. Thanks for joining me for this unboxing. Please like and subscribe. Leave comments down below. I'll see you next time. Bye.